Good morning. It is Wednesday, August the 1st at about 6 a.m. Central Time. And last night I got a text from my dad and he says, "What happened to the price of Bitcoin? It was doing so well." And we can see here the price of Bitcoin over the last 3 days. And indeed, prices have come back considerably from the $8,100 mark to the $7,500 mark. And as I zoom out on the charts, I always want to help my dad see the chart patterns that I'm always looking for, so that he becomes more patient actually in watching the charts and putting his money to work for him rather than trying to work for his money all the time. And so what I look for is the 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. If you've been watching my videos for a while, this is what I talk about as a mainstay of long-term trading and putting your money into a position and then let the market do the work. So here we see a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation on the 28th of June. We hit a bottom. All the way along here, there's a few of them. Then prices came up. They came back down, but not as low as the June prices. So we have a number 1 point here. This we'll call the number 2 point. When the prices came back down here and broke above this level, we verified that's the number 3 point. And you can also see that I use exponential moving averages that cross over pretty much at a good 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. So it verifies that trading signal. Now we're in a position where I believe the market's, if it's going to be a turnaround from where it is now, it has to make a bigger 1, 2, 3 bottom formation to solidify this bottom and prove that this is indeed a bottom that things are going to turn around from. We can see that there is a lot of capitulation lows right at about this price level all the way along back from November of 2017. Here we have the middle of or early February, then we have the beginning of April, then we have the end of June, beginning of July. A little 1, 2, 3 bottom formation here that was proven correct. And even on the daily bars, we see the moving average crossover. Now prices have come up and they are receding back a bit. And I do believe that for a healthy 1, 2, 3 bottom, prices should come back to the $6,800 level and hover around there for a while before showing a little bit more strength and gaining momentum and going upwards on a longer period. So should they come back to the $6,800 level and hover around there for a week or 2 or a month, this is actually not bearish. It's actually what should be happening in the longer term turnaround of a market that has done such these big moves as Bitcoin has. So it's completely healthy for this to retrace back from the move it just did. So long as it doesn't break below those 68 and start to threaten these lower prices here, then that's all good and nothing to worry about at all. So if you have any strategies for trading Bitcoin, if you have any questions about the 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, be sure to check out the links below. There is a link to the intro to cryptos.ca or digitalcurrencytraders.com. And there are free courses there you can take that will teach you some of the basics of how to make money, how to keep it, and how to grow it, all using Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Thanks again for watching this short update on the ongoing price changes of Bitcoin and how does that relate into my simple trading plan of the 1, 2, 3 bottom formation and the moving average crossovers.